world's most expensive pre-wedding. A celebration like no other. Let's dive into the details of these extraordinary celebrations. For the second pre-wedding bash, Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant took their celebration to the high seas. Guests enjoyed a 3-day Mediterranean cruise on the Celebrity Ascent, traveling from Italy to France. According to India Today, to ensure a seamless travel experience, the Ambanis arranged a fleet of 10 charter flights for their high-profile guests to fly to Barcelona. Additionally, 12 private aircraft were reserved for family, friends, and event staff, each costing crores of rupees. Upon arrival in Barcelona, guests were chauffeured in 150 luxury cars, including Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, Mercedes-Benz, and BMWs. Guests were driven to and from the venues in these high-end cars. Skilled chauffeurs, known for their excellent service, ensured that the road travel was as luxurious as the flights. Luxury cruise liner. The Celebrity Ascent hosted around 800 VIP guests, including celebrities like Salman Khan, Kiara Advani, MS Dhoni, and Shah Rukh Khan. The cruise journeyed approximately 4,380 kilometers from Italy to the south of France from 29th May to 1st June. The super yacht also includes top-notch amenities such as a world-class spa, a gym, a children's play area, swimming pools, and the club, a nightclub next to the theatre. A night on the Celebrity Ascent typically costs between $1,849 (1.53 lakh rupees) for a single room to $5,736 (4.70 lakh rupees) for a suite. Guests were entertained by performances from Katy Perry, Pitbull, and the Backstreet Boys. According to The Hindu, guests received finely crafted silver filigree jewelry made by artisans in Telangana's Karimnagar. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant are set to tie the knot on 12th July at the Geo World Convention Center in BKC. Guests have started receiving the traditional red and gold save the date invitations, which reveal some details about the 3-day event, but the celebrations began months in advance with 2 extravagant pre-wedding bashes. The first took place in Jamnagar, while the second was a luxurious Mediterranean cruise. The Ambanis, known for their opulence, ensured these events were filled with unforgettable experiences and extravagant gifts. After pre-wedding celebration, Mukesh Ambani saw a decline in his net worth with an $8.99 billion fall. His net worth stands at $106 billion and is ranked 11th on the list of the world's richest. In a dramatic shift in the ranks of the world's wealthiest individuals, Gautam Adani has surpassed Mukesh Ambani to reclaim the title of Asia's richest person again.